Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to show your additional name to all members on the LinkedIn app from your PC, following the new update. If you've recently added an additional name to your LinkedIn profile, like a nickname or another name you go by, you'll want to make sure it's visible to the entire LinkedIn community. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which is where all of your personal settings are grouped together. Go ahead and click on that. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option that says Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your preferences related to your account, profile, and privacy settings. Inside this section, click on Account Preferences to move forward. Now that you're inside Account Preferences, scroll through until you find the section titled Profile Information. Under Profile Information, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is the area where LinkedIn stores all the basic details about your profile that people see publicly. Once you're inside, look for the subsection called Additional Name. This is where LinkedIn allows you to add or edit another name you want displayed alongside your main profile name. Next to it, you'll see an option that says Choose Visibility. Click on this to access the visibility settings for your additional name. Here, you'll notice different options for who can see your additional name. By default, it might only be visible to your connections, but if you'd like every LinkedIn user to recognize you by that name, select the option All LinkedIn Members. After choosing this, make sure you confirm by clicking Save. And that's it. Once you've saved, your additional name will now be visible across LinkedIn, not just to your connections, but to everyone on the platform. This is especially helpful if you want to be more easily discoverable by colleagues, recruiters, or potential business partners who may know you by another name. Thanks for watching.